The early 1800s saw a dramatic shift in America. This marked the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Before, farming was the way of life for most, but things were changing. New inventions sparked a move towards factories and machines. People began to leave their farms for opportunities in growing cities. America was becoming a nation of industry. This period, roughly from the 1800s to the early 1900s, witnessed incredible transformation. It wasn't just about new machines. It was about a new way of life. The Industrial Revolution touched every aspect of American society. It reshaped the landscape, from rural farmlands to bustling industrial centers. At the heart of this revolution were factories and machines. These were not just small workshops. Factories were large buildings, often filled with new, complex machines. These machines could produce goods faster and cheaper than ever before. This new way of making things was called mechanized production. One of the most important inventions was the steam engine. It powered many of these new machines. The steam engine allowed factories to be built anywhere, not just near rivers. This led to the growth of cities around these new industrial centers. The sound of machinery and the sight of smokestacks filled the air. The Industrial Revolution led to the growth of many industries. One of the first was textiles. Mills sprang up, mainly in the Northeast, producing cloth much faster than traditional methods. The cotton gin, another key invention, made processing cotton much easier. This fueled the demand for slave labor in the South where cotton was grown. Another crucial industry was iron and later, steel. Iron was vital for making machines and railroads. Steel, stronger and more durable, became essential for building bridges, skyscrapers, and railroads. These industries created jobs and attracted people from rural areas and immigrants seeking a better life. The Industrial Revolution gave rise to powerful businessmen. They became known as captains of industry or robber barons depending on your point of view. They built huge companies and amassed enormous wealth. Two of the most famous were Andrew Carnegie and John D. Rockefeller. Carnegie dominated the steel industry with his company, Carnegie Steel. He used new technologies and business practices to become incredibly successful. Rockefeller, on the other hand, controlled the oil industry with his Standard Oil Company. He used his business acumen to control almost all aspects of oil production and refining. These industrialists had a profound impact on the American economy and left a complex legacy, marked by both innovation and controversy.